Today we're going to be taking a look at all the electrical work I've done this past weekend. But first, before we go up into the cockpit with its new dome light, I'm going to be talking about some of the rewiring I did back here. I actually added a fuse box, so if something does short circuit, it should blow a fuse instead of trying to fry a wire. And I also wired everything up to some new buttons inside the cockpit, which I'll go in and show you. So here we are inside the cockpit. You can see I replaced this panel with a wood piece and got rid of the old park and brake. And I've got a couple glowing jelly beans. Here we have the main power switch, which gives power to everything. This is the lights and interior accessories, aka the ventilation fans and the overhead light. And when you flick the switch off, the little jelly bean on turns off. You flick it on, turns on. Pretty nice. And this is the arm lock switch. So if you're throwing a punch, you don't want to be accidentally flipping this arm lever up and causing the arms to do a crazy little dance. Because when I was doing my test runs, I noticed that I was pressing the switch a lot, resulting in the arms doing some unwanted movement. So it's got a double lock feature, so you don't only press it forward once, you press it forward twice. And because I had the switch already on, up the arm goes. And of course, if you turn the switch off while it's in the middle of motion, it just immediately stops. And of course down here we've got our friends the pedals, you know, steering. And hip rotation. And of course I finally put the head control up somewhere out of the way that can still be easily accessed, so the head can now turn accordingly. You can actually see it moving a bit up there. The only thing to do is get some more black tarpaulin, you know, like this stuff, and fill in these holes and stuff, because there's a lot of light leakage, and who wants to have daylight inside of a mech? Yuck. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe and put smartass notices on your builds today. Bye bye.